Hello guys, I with Yael kulit.
Yo, sup?
So guys, today ay akit tayo sa second floor.
Yes.
Tignan natin ang labas.
Yes.
Silip tayo sa labas.
Yes. So, let's go. Let's go.
Ito guys, ang labas.
So,
yan po.
So,
Bigla
guys,
nahulog yung cellphone.
guys, this is actually my best friend.
Yes.
Oh, shit. So, we're both doing at the exact same time. So, shout out to him.
Hinaris kaya. Taya. Ting, ning, ning.
So, as you can see, I'm here with my best friend. I'm Yael Kulit. Like, I can show you my video channel.
Yes.
Let's go!
Today is
a happy day.
di ba pwede ito i-stop tas i-post tas
Yeah. Yes, I know that. So, one
today
day,
aalis tayo ngayon.
Yes.
Saan kaya pwede pumunta?
And English is Tagalog. So, I don't even
Siya
know.
po ay English.
Yeah.
Ako po ay Tagalog. Yan na.
Half English, half Tagalog.
Video.
So,
Yeah. Dito tayo guys sa labas. Yan.
hello guys.
Ay!
Hello guys. Taya.
Kaya pwedeng Taya. Oh, for this is na maisip. So guys, hintayin nyo na lang yung part 2 ah. Bye-bye.